In this module, I'll share with you how you can contact KDP support to resolve issues with your account, your books, or any issue that you find while publishing your book on Amazon KDP. So first, you would make sure that you are logged into your KDP account. And once you're logged in, come to this part here where you see help, this help feature here. Yeah, so come to that part and click on help. So when you click on help, there are a number of resources here that could help you resolve most of the issues that you find challenging. So you click any of these that refers to the exact part where you have issues. But if you need to speak to the support directly, which this particular video is about, on this left pane, scroll down to the bottom where you see contact us. That's what I want you to click on. You click on contact us. And when you click on contact us, the way Amazon have programmed their support process is actually very straightforward and simple. They have categorized this so clearly that you use the drop down menu to go to the exact issue that you have, and then they will help you resolve it. So say you have issues with the Amazon store and your product detail page, you just come here, look through and see what exactly your issue is about. Click on that and it takes you to the part where you can either speak to them via phone or contact them via email or even a live chat. So it depends on what you want per time. These options are available for you to work with. So let's, for clarity and explanation purposes, say I am trying to okay, to report an issue with my Amazon category. Let me just click on that. You see it's going to come up like this, and there are two major articles here that has been written to answer common questions related to this. If I want to really talk to their support, I'll click on this part that says I still need help. So after clicking on I still need help, I'm automatically brought here where I can now where I can now describe the issue I'm currently facing. All I need to do now is just type in the ISBN number, the marketplace, the book format, categories I have questions about, any other step I took in order to that brought about this issue. I'll just explain in more details. And once I'm done, I click on send message. And this will go directly to their email where they would respond. Now, like I said earlier, depending on what the issue or challenge is per time, the options through which you can contact Amazon KDP actually vary. It can be via phone call, it can be via live chat, or via email. In this case, it is email, and this is pretty much how you reach out to Amazon's KDP support. And the good thing about Amazon KDP and their support is that they are usually very swift to respond. I can give it to them. They are very swift and mostly helpful, especially the ones you connect to via emails and sometimes via chats. So that is that for this.